Welcome to online classes, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter. This one is important one. Why? It's all about our presidents. Who is the who known as president? The qualifications, right? All about the things we should know about the president. We're going to learn from this chapter. So let's start it. 35 years of age is eligible for presidential candidate, right? Official term of the president is 5 years, just like a prime minister. The president of India is the head of the state. The president of India, the head of the state. Yes, he is the head of the state before prime minister, right? We can say he is a nominal head and the prime minister is the executive head, right? The duties and the function is approval by the prime minister, but the sign over it and go through from the presidents, right? He also referred to the first citizen of India. President called as first citizen of India. The president of India, the commander in chief of all Indian armed forces like army, navy, air force, right? Current president of India, Mr. Ramnath Kovind ji, from 2017. First, some prominent faces of our country, right? Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. On his birthday, we celebrated Teachers' Day. One of the great scientists and one of the great philosopher he is, right? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. We all love them very much because he is the one of that man that have so much inspirational vibes inside him. He always give inspirational speeches to all the childrens. He gave bravery awards to the those children those are brave in their real lives. He started this bravery award. So he also known as Missile Man of India because the two main missiles we can say to make India a nuclear country is just possible because of APJ Abdul Kalam, Missile Man of India, Missile Man of India, right? Dr. Rajendra Prasad ji. He is the first president of India before the Constituted Assembly, and after the independence of India, he became the president of India twice, right? He served India twice. So Dr. Rajendra Prasad, our first president. Next, Ramnath Kovind ji. Kovind ji elected in 2017, and after Dr. Pranab Mukherjee, he became our president. Currently, he served the position of president. See, this is a picture of Ramnath Kovind ji. Pratibha Patil, first woman president of India. She is the first woman president of India. Before Pranab Mukherjee, she is the president of our country, right? So I know the lot of confusion between Indira Gandhi and Sarojini Naidu. I just want to clear you that Pratibha Patil is the first woman president and first prime minister is non Indira Gandhi, right? First prime minister is Indira Gandhi and first woman governor is Sarojini Naidu. So hope so that your differences will be clear by my these words, right? So this is one is the last, and we are going to end our chapter with the president, who known as the head of the state, who known as the first citizen of India, who is the chief commander of all armed forces. We can say Ramnath Kovind ji, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji, who known as Missile Man of India, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and yes, the eligibility criteria of president. Chapter 6, our president, Semstra Global School, Class 4, General Knowledge. Thank you, students. Your teacher, Babli Jha.